Okay, Ryan, so this is the first paper 2 that I've marked for you because it didn't give me the first homework. Let's see how you do. That's good. Finding 10% discount is something that I would expect you to be able to do and for you to have done with your previous teacher. 10%, right as a decimal, multiply by £85.30 and you get £8.53, or divide that by 10 is a different method of doing it. Area, right, we spent some time back in January on this. Area, the units are meters squared, not meters. Volume of a bucket would be cubic centimeters, not centimeters squared. Those two are correct with you. B and F and G are right. That's a pentagon. The hexagon is C. 3, 5, 9 for the first page. That's good, and that's good. 52 is correct. The median isn't 35, so not sure how you did that. There's no method there. We have been doing medians this week, so hopefully you would be able to do that now. 9 for the page. Good. 5 foot is okay. I'd rather you use metric units, and I've written that as 1.5 meters, but 5 foot is fine. Your estimate of 8 is a bit low, but your method is fine, so you'll get your marks for that. 3, 6, 7, 5 all correct. 29 is right. 65 is wrong. To go backwards through this, so you have to do the mathematical opposites of these. So 17 goes in, you would add 3 to make 20, divide by 4 to make 5. Add 3 is fine, except this needs to be in words, and what you're doing there is a digit, and you need to be saying so you say add 3 to previous number. Taking away half of previous number would be correct, as would halving the previous number. So I'm going to give you 1 out of 2 there, because neither of them are wrong, but neither of them are complete as far as in words are concerned. So 6 for the page. Watch the video clip of that. That's something that you should be able to do. It isn't that. You need to realize that there's a multiply by the number and the letter in algebra, so that's going to be 3 times -1, take away 2 times 5, which is -3, take away 10, which is -13. 18 out of 50 is wrong. Out of 50 is correct, but it's at least 3, which means that 4 visitors or 5 visitors also count. So that should be 21. So the top number's wrong, bottom number's right. And there aren't 50 visitors, there are 50 patients. The number of visitors, if you think about what we were doing in class last week, in this column here, 14 patients each had 2 visitors, so there are 28 visitors there, and then you've got to add up the same for all the others. So that wasn't a very good page. 3 in total. And then this is showing me that you did not set yourself aside enough time to do your homework, which depresses me no end, because it shows me that your commitment to getting a grade C is not there. 9, 18, 29, 35, 38, 38. 38 is a grade F. It's 2 marks off a grade E, but it's a long way from where you need to be and you need to start taking this subject a little bit more seriously if you're going to have any chance of a C in the summer. That's extremely disappointing, Ryan.